Okay, so this is just stopped on the side of the freeway here, and here's a vending machine we're gonna order some food off of. It's all hot food, full meals, hot dogs and fried rice, takoyaki, and all kinds of stuff. So Kit's gonna get something here. Oh. So our food is going through the process here, and this is how long it's going to take to heat up. Okay, and it's almost done here. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's hot.
And it says, "Thank you for ordering. Please enjoy your food." And here it is. Open it up. There's your meal. Looks good, huh?
Steam.